World Cup season is about to print money for WooCommerce stores. And this customizable jersey product took me less than 5 minutes to set up. Customers can add their name, choose their number, pick their size, and fully customize the jersey. And honestly, people love this stuff during sports season. But here's the crazy part. I didn't build any of this from scratch. WowAddons just introduced Premade Templates. So instead of manually creating fields and configuring everything yourself, you just import a ready-made setup. This is the jersey template. One click and boom. You instantly get size options, color selection, neck design, personalized name, and number fields. Just add your own images, adjust pricing, and assign it to your WooCommerce product. This turns a basic jersey into an experience. And jerseys are just one template. You also get pre-made templates for custom mugs, balloon sets, chocolate boxes, window curtains, lockets, and more personalized products. So what are you waiting for? Get started with WowAddons and start personalizing your customer journey today.